In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Facebook page username. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter, or you can also open the Facebook application if you want. Make sure you're logged into your page account. You can see over here you'll be able to find various options at left. What you have to do is click on your page name that you can see at the top of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your page interface. Again, at left you'll be able to find various options for managing your page. What you have to do is click on this option, settings, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface of Facebook. What you have to do is scroll down. Now right over here you'll be able to find this option for page setup. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. At first you'll be able to find this option for name. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to change the name and username of your page. At second, you'll be able to find this option for username. Click on this option, edit, right next to it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change the username. Click on the field of username. It is the initial username. Now what you have to do is enter the new username over here. Make sure the username is available. After you do that, click on this option, save changes, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your username has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the username. So that is how you change Facebook page username. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.